Okay, I'm trying to drive home, and it's raining so freaking hard. This is unbelievable. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Alright, sit there. Oh my god. Everything's flooded. My windshield wipers, holy shit. My windshield wipers are going as fast as they possibly can. Holy shit. Whoa. Whoa, holy shit. Wish you could see better. This is unbelievable. I've never driven in rain like this in my life. Holy shit. Cars pulled over on the highway. Oh my god. Whoa. Everything's flooded like crap. Seems to maybe be letting up a little bit. Shit. Take this shit off. On a little tiny hill and there's this much water. Holy shit. Whoa, holy shit. No, don't fucking die on me. No. Whoa. I could barely move. That was excellent. Okay. I don't even know if I want to get my mail. Fuck it, I'm not getting my mail. Lightning.